Good morning, all of you. Welcome to English class, second semester. In second unit, you have reading skills. Okay. In reading skills, you have skimming and scanning, intensive reading, extensive reading, and comprehensive reading. Okay. First of all, we have to know the importance of reading. Okay, reading is fundamental requirement to a man in present day society. Why? Because society is globalized. Everybody needs to acquire some knowledge. Okay, that's why everybody must read newspapers and books and even on internet. That's why reading is essential tool to communicate with others. So that's why, but how can we acquire this reading skills? It is a skill. Some skills are there. Okay, by implementing some skills, we can improve our reading skills. Okay, some techniques. By implementing some techniques, we can improve our reading skills. That is, first technique is skimming. Okay, it is a easy tool to communicate with others. That's why the skimming is a type of fast reading method. Skimming is a type of fast reading method. In this process, reader must not read first page to last page, need not read every line and every word and every paragraph in the text. By reading its content, blurb or the title of the lesson, an introduction part of the lesson, and opening sentence or topic sentence of the paragraph or closing sentence of the paragraph, the reader can understand the whole information which is prescribed in the book. Some key points are there to improve this technique, skimming technique. Some key points are there. Reading subheadings and important dates, names, some years, some technical words, we can understand the whole information. This is known as skimming. Next topic, scanning. Next technique is scanning. It is also a type of quick reading process. Quick reading process. In this process also, we need not read all the information first line to last line. Why? Because it is intended to look for specific information, particular information. For the to know particular information, we need to look for the information. That's why we need not read first sentence to last sentence. For example, you want to know a meaning of word in a dictionary. Okay, you want to know a meaning of a word in a dictionary. So you need not look up the dictionary thoroughly. You need not read whole dictionary from first page to last page. On the basis of alphabetical order, you can immediately find your word in the dictionary. That is scanning. For example, your masters will look for timetable for their hours, and if you want to know telephone numbers, you have to look for telephone dictionary. Immediately you can find. Okay, this is scanning. And another type is intensive reading. Intensive reading is self-conscious method. Intensive reading is self-conscious method. In order to improve our reading skills, improve our knowledge in particular area, particular subject, we need to read intensively. Okay, self-conscious method. In this process, a reader must understand the usage of vocabulary and grammatical rules and vocabulary and logical thinking, technical words, usage of technical words, and everything can understand in this process. That is intensive reading. And finally, extensive reading is there. Extensive reading is self motivated. That is, intensive reading is self conscious, and this is self motivated or self directed method. Extensive reading is self directed method. No one asks you to read it compulsory. If you have interest, you can read. Okay, on the basis of your interest, you can read. It is the activity which will happen outside of the classroom. That is extensive reading. Whenever you feel bored, then you can open a magazine and you can read it. Okay, when you feel upset, then you will open one poem and read it. So extensive reading is for pleasure, and also it is a good technique to improve reading skills. Okay, so these are all skimming and scanning, intensive and extensive reading. So I hope you something you might have understood. Okay, see you, have a nice day.